Welcome to Aman Spinning Mills Limited,
a company manufacturing 100% export quality fancy yarn,
serving as a backward linkage to the textile sector. Quality and sustainability is the ultimate strength of our company. We use sustainable cotton with global recycled standard. Aman Spinning Mills Limited closely follows fashion trend forecasts to stay up to date with the industry. Aman Spinning Mills Limited is committed to practice, reduce, reuse and recycle. Our company manufactures yarn made out of recycled plastic bottles, banana peels, pineapple waste.
We also use post-consumed textile apparel waste to produce new sustainable fancy yarn. We believe upcycling is the most innovative way to transform the fashion industry. This yarn not only increases the life cycle of the fiber but also reduces the dependency on virgin raw material, saves water and energy consumption, and reduces carbon emissions. We are trying to develop a closed-loop fashion industry focused in sustainable fancy yarn.
We have obtained certifications from ISO for maintaining efficient quality management system and environmental compliance.
We also have GOTS certification, which is a social indicator ensuring proper environment is maintained and worker benefits are provided.
Natural resources such as water and energy are being used efficiently. We are also a proud member of the Higg Index, which is the core driver of Sustainable Apparel Coalition. This delivers a holistic overview of the sustainable performance of Aman Spinning Mills Limited. Spinning lab equipped with the latest Oster and Classimat testing instrument to ensure the quality of the yarn. These provide essential reliability in output.
Our core strength is our commitment, quality, service, research, development, and innovation. We stand out as the manufacturer of the highest quality and lowest impact yarns available in today's market.
Aman Spinning Mill 2009 সাল থেকে এক্সপোর্ট মার্কেটে সুতা বাজারজাত করে আসতেছে। আমাদের এই ফ্যাক্টরিতে রয়েছে দক্ষ R&D ডিপার্টমেন্ট, যারা প্রতিনিয়ত সুতার মানকে নিয়ন্ত্রণ করার জন্য সর্বদা সচেষ্টভাবে ভূমিকা পালন করছে। আমাদের এই গুণগত মান পরীক্ষা করার জন্য আমাদের রয়েছে আন্তর্জাতিক মানের মডার্ন ল্যাব। আমরা ব্যবহার করি আমান স্পিনিং মিলে সাস্টেইনেবল কটন।
The company not only strives to maintain the highest levels of international standard, but also enforces internal quality assessment protocols, ensuring every product is just as perfect in quality and value. Our core competencies are product innovation, highly qualified research and development team, extensive product range to meet customer demands and ensure value standards at the highest level and thus meet compliances.
Primary textile in Bangladesh has an investment of about $6 billion. Aman Spinning Mills is proud to be a part of this sector. Our goal is yarn through innovation, which focuses on manufacturing sustainable fancy yarn. Our goal is to close the loop on sustainable fashion by using these textile waste. The life cycle of clothing is about 3 years on average, after which they usually get discarded. And most of it is being used in landfills. Our goal is to use these textile waste in manufacturing yarn so there is less dependency on raw material, less usage of water, less use of chemical, and also less emission of carbon dioxide. We're working towards closing the loop on sustainable fashion by using post-consumed textile. We believe this is a more ethical and sustainable system.
Excellence in production quality and the never-ending attention to customer needs are the cornerstones of our success. Aman Spinning Mills Limited, yarn through innovation.